me want to get off that darkest ground.
So the day started out with us having to get on the apple cart to get Allison's car so we could go hiking at Rough Ridge. Well, of course, since Ashley was involved, we had to run to the bus. Once we finally got to Rough Ridge, there were so many people there, and then we remembered that it was a 3-mile hike and that we were only going to the very first stop because we are lazy.
For me while we're on this mountain, please. Make my music video. Let me in. We're at Rough Ridge. There's people. It was bright and sunny. Oh, so funny.
Once we saw the sunset and got cute pictures, we decided that it was time to go home because it was getting really cold and we were hungry.
Oh, so funny.
Every time we come hiking, I'm just reminded about the beautiful campus that we are lucky enough to go to and just how beautiful nature is, and it just really humbles you to see all these beautiful sunsets and mountains.
And then we went to the market and got some food. So I'm going to show you what I got from the market. So I spent $40 on this crap. I got salsa, taquitos, ice cream, Slim Jims, Uncrustables, what are these called? Sun chips, macaroni, then we got raspberries, carrots, strawberries, and then a sweet tea and a Pepsi. So it is now much later. It is 12:35. I just got off of FaceTime with Jacob and the fan's on. Sorry if it's annoying. I've just been editing and editing and editing and I'm tired, so I'm gonna watch some YouTube and Netflix and I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.